स्टेट सरकार हौजिक फाउबद मतिंग लेना थबक तौब ngamdribasi Manipur Article 355 thamjinbadagira haibasi asobu wahang ama oirakle mapani oibam yengdana sarkar ama thamli haina uhallaga manungdana proxy Article 355 impose tawduna sarkar asigi sakti pumba paisillaga karu masel gi mak unkhatna handuna hana hannaba sillabra haibasini tasengna Article 355 impose tawraga chief minister bu makhong makut punsinduna thamlaga proof masel yengthi hanagadaba sinbu oirabadi PR thamkibani hena phai High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice Siddhartha Mirdurna Manipur the Indian Constitution ki provision sing apply tawbu ude madumang Supreme Court na Manipur ki oiriba phiam sing asi monitor tawnaba high level committee am semduna state asida thoribi hingsa gi thokdok sing yauna development ki thabak thorom sing da yeng changli bani haina phongdok ki wafam asina Article 355 impose tawri haibasiga yamna chanaba amadi oire State asigi law and order ki situation yengsinaba army paramilitary force amadi state policing yauba apex body yam oiriba unified command ki chairman ki phammasi state ki head oiriba chief minister na paifam thoklabasu security advisor oina hapliba CRPF ki retired IPS officer Kuldip Singh na pahallaga thamba aduga yang hawlakpada Manipur ki DGP phammasi chief minister ta karimata khangan matawduna security advisor yam luna chana tinaba Tripura ki cadre IPS Officer Rajib appoint to keep a Kayasina. Chief Minister Karimata Sakti Laitri Haibasi, Mayakshan Utkra. Paugi Martana Atin Mabrik Ama.
Imphal iske hata Jenims Road walk for vote ki mayok na badalaiba MM Mukadas Ari Auto Bajaj 3-wheeler original spare part haiba dukan asida 2-stroke amadi 4-stroke engine manung amasung mapan gi machak sing makhal suna phangbigani. Tongan ba khudong saba kaya piriba dukan asigi akupa marol gidamak mobile number 8798987393 natraga 8837200034 da call tawbirakpa yagani haina dukan asigi provider na miyamda khanghalakle
Makataba pau pijari Manipur Governor Anusha Uikena Manipur Article 355 imposed to the Hirabasu Security Advisor Kultipu Unified Command Chairman on Hapkiba Duka State Karimata Kangan Betokuna Manipur DGP Hapkibasi Matangadi Karimata Pongtokuna lady Tasiki Trate Union Home Minister Amishana Sia Loduna Manipur Matang the Kanakiba Security Review Meeting the State Ki Head or Chief Minister Natraga Manipur elected representative Amata Sakyakide Manipur Governor na law and order ki phibam masi center na ningthi na dil tawri haina phongdok pasu leikre law and order haibasi state ki subject ni haijarabasu Manipur ki oiba security review meeting da chief minister yahon kitaba governor na Manipur law and order situation center na dil tawri haina phongdok sakiba asimba kaya sina Manipur article 355 di lairadna elected government asim maming tagi oina thamlaga article 356 imposed tawrabra haibasi tawriba thabak sing asina hangna oirakli Attack kaya sa thabata central government ki maikay digi karigum amata hayram daba amati action amata law daba asina Manipur law and order asi state na control tawdre center na pulap oina paisinduna makhoi rajniti kangonda matam asigi miyam hana hannaba sillabra haibasini phibam masida ikoi masel marak onsin dun yeknaba am oina lawba natraga security ki rajniti ki makubum yengda thabak tawbuna di solution amata lakloi apunbagi oiba phirep amada punna thengna minaba changi Aikoi masel hundok punjin tawnaba natraga phamching thunanaba hotnabagi matam natte phibam masita yauraba phawbud aikoi wakhal tadrabadi Manipur masjid kaya thokna kaibata natana lamdam sigi yelhongi oiribasi murkhibi yabagi phibam lakhibasu yai Hello everyone, it is EPUB TV News, a news networking channel dedicated to the cause of human rights.